Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. With all the barrels painted from last video, it's time to put them on a deck. I start with a piece of wood that I'm gonna use as a limit to a little area that will take some of the barrels. I start by staining the piece of wood with dark oak stain. And now I'm painting this piece of wood black. I decided that it doesn't need the extra layers of chipping fluid. Since it's a very small piece of wood and painted black, I will just use a bit of sandpaper to roughen up the paint. Now, using a couple of the barrels in their position, I'm checking exactly what are the dimensions of this piece of wood that I have to cut to make the shape that I mentioned to limit the spots for the barrels. And now I glue the barrels in place, leaving the two bigger ones for the other side. Now the two barrels for the other side, the bigger ones, I'm gonna make two supports for them, and I'm gonna put them laying and tied down. So a bit different process for the two other barrels. I start by cutting the two pieces of wood. And now I'm marking on the pieces of wood where I have to cut the notches for the barrels to lay properly. I'm now drilling the holes for the eyebolts that will go on the edges. Those eyebolts will secure the ropes that will look like it's tying down the barrels. Gluing the eyebolts, and then I will simply paint the eyeballs black. this will be it for today's video. We will continue on the next one, placing the barrels and starting to work on the next deck structure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing. I hope to see you all on the next one.